At Chamberlain, we understand that every nursing career is unique, so we've designed our CCNE-accredited Master of Science in Nursing program to support the diverse paths our students take, all with support resources and our 100% online coursework, plus a practicum component that fits around your busy schedule. Let's explore Chamberlain University's MSN Nurse Practitioner specializations as well as our non-clinical specializations. For our Nurse Practitioner specializations, we offer the following: Adult Gerontology Acute Care Nurse Practitioner, for those ready to provide acute care to adolescents, adults, and older adults in fast-paced healthcare settings. Adult Gerontology Primary Care Nurse Practitioner, designed to prepare you for comprehensive primary care of adolescent, adult, and aging populations. Family Nurse Practitioner, a versatile path equipping you to offer care from birth to end of life. Psychiatric Mental Health Nurse Practitioner, focuses on delivering mental health services to diverse patient populations. Each of these specializations includes an in-person immersion skills event where you gain additional practice and support in a 2-day skills lab rotating through nurse practitioner skills, board exam preparation, a 2-day in-person review session with expert guidance to support and prepare you for your certification exam. And if you're looking to advance in other leadership areas, we offer the following programs: Healthcare Policy, for those aiming to shape policy and advocacy efforts in the healthcare sector. Nurse Educator, prepares you to instruct and inspire the next generation of nurses in academic or clinical settings. Nurse Executive, for nurses moving into executive leadership roles, from nurse manager to chief nursing officer. Nurse Informatics, integrates data and technology with patient care, ideal for data-minded nurses focused on system improvement. Population Health, empowers you to address health on a broader, community-wide level through education, policy, and advocacy. These all include a zero-test policy that allows you to demonstrate coursework mastery through assignments, not exams, and flexibility for working nurses. Deadlines flex to fit your schedule. Receive a 3-day grace period after major assignment due dates. And if you want a quicker path to advancement, we also have our accelerated MSN option, where you can earn your MSN in as little as 8 months by taking 3 courses per session so you can advance your skills faster. The accelerated MSN option features specializations in advanced nursing leadership and advanced nursing leadership with artificial intelligence, AI. Learn to apply a systems-based approach to a range of nursing leadership roles. And if you choose the AI option, explore the responsible and ethical use of AI in complex care environments. No matter the path you choose, Chamberlain's MSN program is designed to take you from experienced nurse to confident next-level healthcare practitioner. You'll expand your skills, build resilience, and shape your professional identity so you're prepared to apply your skills in practice and continue growing throughout your nursing career. Expand your nursing skill set with AI training. Introducing a new AI certificate that prepares nurses in predictive analytics and clinical decision support. Chamberlain in partnership with Google Cloud. It's AI for nursing professionals included with your MSN program at no extra cost. Across our specializations, you'll put your learning into action. With clinical rotations and practicums, you'll apply advanced nursing concepts in real healthcare settings. Grow as a healthcare advocate. Gain the communication and advocacy skills to champion patient outcomes, advocate for care quality and safety, and promote equitable care to improve lives in your community. Engage in interactive assignments. Strengthen your clinical reasoning and decision-making skills through learning experiences that mirror real practice. Explore digital innovations. Stay ahead of evolving healthcare technologies by learning to integrate informatics principles, digital platforms, and AI tools into your practice. Work with interprofessional teams. Develop collaboration and conflict resolution skills as you work alongside other health professionals in different environments. You control assignment deadlines by deciding when to turn in major assignments, giving you the flexibility you need to balance earning your degree with work. And your very own personal faculty mentor. We partner you with an experienced faculty mentor who directly supports you with your assignments, practicum experience, and more. No matter which specialization you pick, our MSN program lets you balance school with work and personal life. Chamberlain has 6 start dates each year and 8-week courses with 24/7 access to coursework so you can complete your studies on your schedule. And when it comes to the practicum, you can feel confident that Chamberlain's practicum commitment ensures that you'll have dedicated support in securing the practicum sites and preceptors you need to complete your degree. Are you ready to elevate your nursing education with a specialized, supportive program designed to fit your life? Chamberlain University is ready to help you take that next step. Connect with our enrollment team to learn more.